Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of August 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start the mutual energy or the overall energy for the connection right now at this present moment, Pisces. Let's see what's happening. So we have the Two of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the Hermit. Despite the fact that there is love in the situation, uh, things are closed. It's like the situation is on the crossroads because one of you is not able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of the situation. They are not able to open up fully to the situation, even if there is love, even if there is this understanding that this might be the once in a lifetime kind of opportunity, because the Hermit here represents that they are thinking about it. Somebody is thinking about it very long and hard enough. It's like whenever they are alone or whenever they isolate themselves from everything else and everyone else, they think about this connection from time to time on a very deeper level. It's not like just a casual fling kind of thing, but because there's no surety and no clarity and no understanding of the future, of the direction of the situation, they are blocked in the situation, and that is creating this energy of being on the crossroads kind of thing from both the sides. This situation is on the crossroads because one of you is not able to see the clear picture, and or one of you is not very sure or clear about the future direction of the situation. So even if the love is there, because of the lack of clarity and lack of being on the same page when it comes to the emotional factor, emotional quotient is kind of making this situation go south. But there's love here, unsaid love, unrequited love, you can say, maybe one-sided love, and there's a lot of thinking involved in the situation, trying to understand what went wrong, what could have been better, or what should be done in like next, or everything like that. A lot of thinking is going on. Hmm. Okay, let's move on to the main reading part. Let's see, Pisces, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Justice. This person is feeling like whatever is happening is actually happening for the highest good of both of you. Now they might be feeling like they are getting the justice as per their karma, or you are getting your karma, or now things are balancing themselves out. But this person is feeling like somehow they are getting the justice in their life. Now it can be in a positive way or negative way, doesn't matter, but they feel now this is justice served kind of energy in the situation, the way it should be. Okay. From your side, the feelings is the Page of Wands. You feel like just enjoying your life like a kid, just doing whatever makes you happy, just moving in a direction with full with hopeful energy, with the full you can say energetic kind of energy, like okay, let's do this, let's do that, life is so beautiful, I should not waste my life like this, I should enjoy my life to the fullest, explore new things, new people, new situations, and I just keep on moving ahead in my life like a kid, like a beautiful positive energy. Okay, so you're feeling like super open, super happy, super energetic, and moving forward like a kid, like curious kid. Hmm. It keeps on wondering about each and everything in life. For a curious kid, everything is butterflies and rainbows. That's your energies right now, Pisces. Very beautiful and open, positive. Their intention, this person's intentions regarding this situation, what this person wants from the situation. We have the Eight of Swords here. Actually, this person don't know what they want. They are so blindfolded by their own negative thoughts in this direction. They are mentally so trapped, like they are like in a mental jail kind of situation. They are not able to figure out exactly what they want from the situation. Forget about the situation, they don't know what they want in their life in general, also in their love and relationship area. And they're so focused on the negatives that they can't even understand or think about the positives right now. Now all they want is to come out of this mental jail, mental trap, and all they want is to be free from these negative thoughts, from this negativity, and be happy again, be positive again in their life, because according to them it sucks. This negative thinking, this overthinking, this not being able to understand, it sucks. Actually it does. Yeah. Let's see from your side, what are the intentions? King of Wands. You are on fire right now. See? Page of Wands, King of Wands. You might be having fire placement in your chart somewhere, or maybe you are having very fiery energy right now. You're like, I want to live my life to the fullest. I want to wear my heart on my sleeve, and I want to do certain things that I always wanted to do in my life. I want to be passionate about my life. I want to be passionate about everything in my life. And I just want to keep moving forward in my life because I have done enough damage to my life already. This is the kind of energy that I get in my readings after somebody is so, done with life, that they either choose to become bitter and closed off and go in depression, and or they choose to become the better, best version of themselves and start living their life to the fullest. You are in the second category right now. Beware of getting burned, beware of the overdoing factor here. I can understand your enthusiasm and your positivity and everything, but sometimes we overdo certain things and then we regret it later on. So enjoy it, definitely give your best, do your best, but don't take unnecessary risks, or don't do stupid things that you know are not going to be any good for you in any way, right? That you have to take care of. Yeah, we all should. So all you want is to just do everything that you always wanted to do in your life and live your life like a, passionate energy, like a passionate person who's passionate for life, for themselves. Good. In the action from this person's side, we have the Five of Cups. There is a lot of regret, guilt, and playing all the things that went wrong in this situation in their mind again and again and again, like a stuck recording, like that keeps on repeating itself on repeat. It's like this is the action, repeating the same kind of painful memories again and again and again inside their head, and doing nothing but sulking and crying and thinking that this is their karma, this is their fate, and this is how it was supposed to be. I don't see them blaming you or something, honestly speaking. They're blaming themselves right now. It's a self blame game going on, self victimization mode. Like, okay, I am the one who did all this. I am the one who, you know, let Pisces do this with me, or I'm the one who always keep on attracting this kind of shitty energy. So it's like right now they're in the self pity mode and trying to figure out ways to get out of that, even if the on the exterior they are the most handsome or most beautiful person on earth, but it's like from inside they are damaged, they need repairing, and they're trying to do that. From your side, in action part, we have the Knight of Wands. You're like, I don't care. Maybe you are going to get this surge at some triggering or passionate moment to connect with this person, maybe a drunk call or drunk text or something like that from your side to this person, out of passion, maybe out of just fun or something like that, but this is not coming out of a mature or grounded kind of energy. That's why I was telling you to be aware of what you are going to do and how you are going to behave with this much fire in your energies this time. So there are chances of you doing some kind of not so mature thing towards this person out of sheer passion or out of just for fun kind of thing. And you can definitely stop it if you want. It's not necessary, or it's not required, or it's stupid. You can definitely stop it. It's your energy. You can control it, right? In the outcome, we have the Page of Pentacles. So the energies, the roles can be reversed also, Pisces. Please keep that in mind. There are chances that you might start a communication, you guys might start a chapter again. Just a friendship kind of, just the initiation of something brand new, just the initiation, like maybe simple hi, hello, or maybe simple communication, or maybe this energy of okay, hi, how are you doing, or checking, testing the waters kind of deal can happen. In the outcome, this is coming. That might happen. There are energies available for that. Now, if you guys are going to do that or not, completely your choice, right? Free will. For the guidance, we have the sun. Yeah. See. Okay, honey. First of all, I do see that you are trying to be extremely happy in your life as much as you can from your side in every possible way. And in that energy of wanting to be extremely happy, you might be doing certain kind of things in extreme, on an extreme level, not realizing that extreme of anything is as bad as extreme of anything bad. Extreme of anything is poisonous in our life. Extreme positivity becomes toxic, extreme negativity becomes toxic, and the lack of understanding, lack of clarity of what we are actually looking forward to have makes it more difficult to deal with. First of all, ground yourself, ground your energies. You might be having too much energy right now. You might be feeling too much energy or too much passion right now. Grounding your energy means do grounding exercises, or talk to yourself, sit with yourself, like what do you want in your life exactly that can help you to grow as a person, as a soul. Not the stupid things of, okay, let me drink all the time, let me drink the whole weekend, let me do stupid stuff, casual flings, whole month or 2 months, let me just enjoy my life and do stupid things that I should not be doing. Let's say for example you have severe back pain, but you're so energetic you feel like going on a hike on the on a mountain or something, and then realizing I should not have started from the start when you are there because it hurts. Now you have to take more tablets, maybe you have to visit a doctor or something. Just an example, you know because you're feeling passionate, because you're feeling full of energy, doesn't mean that you should do certain stupid things that you should not be doing. So keep yourself grounded and keep your energies in check, and then understand the real meaning of real happiness. True happiness that comes from inside, it comes with peace, it doesn't comes with pleasure, doesn't comes with the instant gratification. You guys have to differentiate, oh my god, differentiate between these two things and then move forward. Yeah, the sky is the limit, I understand, but toxicity is also something very real. I know I might be breaking your heart or something, but I'm trying to help you here. Whether you take it as negative or positive, I don't give a damn. That's not my job. How you perceive it. Let's see, honey, the final message for you guys from the Romance Angel Oracle cards. Okay, someone from your past is returning to your life, reconciliation. Now it can be a, a different person, it can be a friend, it can be you returning to your past energies, the way you were at some point of time, enthusiastic, energetic, carefree, and all that. Reconciliation always doesn't mean with a person, it can be with ourselves also. And in your case, I strongly believe that it is with yourself only. Your self, that where you were carefree, where you were energetic, where you were full of life, that you are going to reconnect with. And or maybe some past person, past energy. I don't think it's the same, might be, but I don't think very strongly it is the same. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.